guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing fantastic, and as always, I'm super excited to be back to share another video with you. If you are here on my channel for the very first time, you're very welcome. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss any of the good stuff that I share on my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the best hair moisturizer for natural hair. This was something I came up with. It's been amazing, and because it's been so good to me, I thought to share with you all. So I'm not going to be taking so much of your time in this introductory video. I'm going to be taking you off to the mixing corner that I've created for the sake of this video, and I'm going to be sharing the step-by-step guide with you. I'm going to be sharing with you some tips as I go along in preparing this mixture. If you are struggling in the edges department, this may just be a lifesaver for you. All the ingredients are spot on. So guys, I'm going to be mixing the natural hair moisturizer right now. So I have with me the things I would need. First of all, I have the 100% natural avocado oil, and this is pure avocado oil by a brand called Yari. It's a Parisian brand, and my hairdresser is from Paris. She's a French woman, and she usually brings this from Paris anytime she goes to Paris. So this is the avocado oil. And secondly, this is the shea butter that I will be using. This is the real McCoy, like Irish people will say. This one I brought back from Nigeria with me. So I'm going to be mixing 2 jars. So I have this empty container, and this is where I'll be mixing it. You can use any container of your choice, and I also have some baby wipes handy if I need to wipe anything. So it's so easy to do. I'm going to get some of the shea butter, and I usually store the shea butter in the freezer if I'm not using it. So I'm going to put this one right inside, and I'm going to use my finger to press it as much as I need to. I'll grab as much as I need and just right inside here. Okay, you see, the thing about the real shea butter is that it makes your hair soft, and it also thickens your hair. When my sister made my hair the other day, she actually said 2 things, and I was really happy about that because I've been experimenting. One, she said that my hair had grown really much, that my hair had grown in length, and secondly, she said that my hair wasn't shedding. It's typical of natural hair to begin to shed or fall off because of how dry it can be, but with this mixture I haven't suffered any kind of. I'll go ahead and pour the 100% avocado oil inside the mixture. I'll be chatting with you while I'm mixing it. No, avocado is a natural fat. Personally, I stay away from butter, and instead of butter I use avocado. The fat in avocado is natural fat, and it is also a healthy fat, so it's a good substitute for butter. So also, if you are moisturizing or deep conditioning your hair, avocado is good to deep condition your hair. I know a lot of people have used it with eggs before and olive oil, but I personally use this one to care for my hair. So right here I have the mixture, and I'm going to mix it thoroughly till it's very smooth. Ideally I should be able to use blender, but I don't want to use blender, so you can blend it, that's an option. I'll be using this one to mix it, so I'll mix it as much as possible. So I just want to mix it smooth, and that's what I'll be doing. So I'll continue to do that till I'm happy with the mixture. As you can see, I'm mixing it as much, so you can see it's getting really smooth at the moment. So I'll mix it more so I can get the texture to be really fine. It feels really good. So I have that mixture done. All I have to do now is tidy it up. Look at that, it feels really smooth. You know, the thing also with Ori or shea butter is that A lot of people think it has this awful smell, that it is bad and everything. It isn't. It doesn't smell like flour, or it doesn't smell like powder, but the smell is not offensive. You can actually use it for your skin. It is good for all the skin ailments, skin disease, all those skin irritation, eczema, rashes. Shea butter is actually very good for it. So an avocado oil is a very good oil, and it's a natural healthy fat that is good for, especially for adults. The leftover shea butter, which is this one, I'm going to be putting it back in the freezer. It's so easy to defrost. All you need to do is bring it out and put it on your kitchen counter. It thaws by itself. You don't have to worry about how will I defrost it. I'm going to go ahead and mix another round. This time I'm going to mix it in a bowl, in a bigger bowl, okay? The next step is for me to scoop it into the second jar, and I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll show you both of them when I finish, okay? And I'm going to cover it. This is amazing. This is really amazing. And I've been having fun using it, enjoying it. So that is it. If you're up for it, you can also use it for your skin, if I'm being honest. Yeah. So also it prevents things like on your scalp. For anyone who has that kind of dry scalp, you have this itchiness and dandruff. This is the magic. Use this Ori or shea butter. It helps you stop all that flakiness. It helps you prevent and also stop it if you have it already. Flakiness, dandruff, itchiness on the scalp. It actually helps. And if you've made your hair and it's quite tight, you know, people who do Ghana weaving, twist and braids, use that. It actually relieves the pain on your head and scalp. Alright? I'll see you guys on the video in a minute. Alright? So let me know in the comment section, have you tried this mixture before, or have you tried any of the ingredients? As always, I just want to thank you so very much for watching. I do hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I love you so very much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon on my next video, where I will be sharing how I got this perfect bun. So stay tuned for that. I love you all. Bye bye.